Hey, it's Shay, and in this video I just want to show you a brand new campaign I just started a few days ago, and it's already doing $250 a day. And I want to show you the formula that I'm using so you can also make money online, just as my students already do as well. So I'm just going to jump straight over to the network here. Let me just adjust the dates. So I started it on the 8th. Today is the 11th, okay, so the 11th of May. I'm just going to change that, and so it's just in there right now. I'm just going to click update on this campaign. Alright, so, and I'll just extend this out. So these campaigns down here, they're just trial campaigns that I was messing around with. I guess I could still add that in as well, but I'm mainly looking at these two that are highlighted in the color here. Okay, so this reddish pink color. So take note of that. Alright, and just a few other things. On the 8th, that's when I started the campaign, okay, and it was already well past half the day. I would say I started it at night that day, so it would have only been about a quarter of the day on the 8th. And on the 11th, today, it's only about 10:30 in the morning. Okay, so we're not even halfway through the day yet, so it's looking good for these two campaigns. And these campaigns are combined, like I was saying. These are basically split-tested campaigns. I send one source of traffic to multiple offers. Okay, so every time someone clicks on my tracking links, it actually redirects to two different offers back and forth. Hopefully that's made it pretty clear what's actually happening here. And so if we average that out, it's almost already $250 a day. And I really enjoy showing these new campaigns to my students and anyone who is new coming into our team, because it just proves that a new campaign is still possible to start even today. And it doesn't matter if you haven't even made any money online yet, because this is exactly what I enjoy showing people and helping them get to that next level or make their first dollar online. I've been doing it for years now, and I want to help you do the same thing right now. But of course, I can't keep doing this forever. I can't let everyone in to see all my methods for making money online the way I do. So if you want to see exactly what I'm doing and you want to be a part of our team and make your first dollar online, make your first $50, $100 plus per day online, and even more, just take action right now. Click the link in the description. That's the first step. Okay, just click the link at the top of the description right now so you can visit my site. And I'll actually go to my site right now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you've clicked on the link in the description, you'll land on this page. So all you've got to do, step 2, just enter in your best email address right here and click the Get Instant Access button. As soon as you do that, I'm going to show you everything that not only my students follow, but exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis to make new campaigns like this take off so fast. And again, it doesn't matter if you don't have any experience. That's what my team and myself are here for. So I'm giving this opportunity to a few people right now, but you have to take action. Just click the link in the description. Right there at the top, you'll see the link, and visit my site right here. Enter your best email address, and I'll give you instant access to everything I'm doing right now. If you're really serious, there's absolutely no reason why you can't be running campaigns that make $250 plus per day in a really short amount of time. I've already had plenty of other success stories of people doing the same thing already, and you can be that next success story. So take action, click the link in the description if you haven't already, get over to my site, enter your best email, get instant access right now, and I'll work with you really soon.